So the little pieces of sealant in the bolt holes come out quite easily. You just pull them out with a dentist pick. Here they are, they come out like little rubber rings, they just pop out. Sorry, they're on the other side actually. So they're on this side. They were all on this side. And there are little bits here as well on the dowel pins. There are two locating dowel pins, one here. And this thing, this is a drain plug, which we stripped when we were attempting to drain the coolant actually, and unsuccessfully, but then I replaced that bolt. It has an O-ring here, and so there's a dowel pin here and there's a dowel pin here, and I used little dentist pick kind of thing that I have, and just removed. So it just comes off. Thought it did. Come on. So, probably doesn't hurt anything if there's some crud in there, but take it out for completeness. It says clean the surface off before you install it, and then with judicious aluminum mallet application we can put this in. So what I'm going to now do is, as instructed, put a bead of sealant around this and put the upper oil pan section back on.